सो हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो सब। तो गाइस आज की वीडियो में हम क्रिएट करेंगे ड्रीमी मूडी ब्राउन टोन। तो गाइस सबसे पहले हम मूडी ब्राउन टोन क्रिएट कर लेते हैं और फिर बाद में हम वो ड्रीमी इफेक्ट उसमें ऐड कराएंगे।
Maybe closure or nostalgia. Don't recall how I even got here. Chances are I'll never see you. It was cold with our hands in pockets. Bitter snow in late November. If it was over, I never saw it. Where were you when it was empty? And where are you now? And around and around and around we go. But we can't fight, no we can't fight it. And away and away and away it goes. And we can't stop, we'll never stop it. Never stop it. Never stop it. I'm a ghost moving through these walls. Scared to see my own reflection. I feel the words tumble out my mouth. Am I better off without you? Better without you. Around and around and around we go. But we can't fight, no we can't fight it. And away and away and away it goes. But we can't stop, we'll never stop it. Never stop it. Never stop it. I don't know what I came here for. I don't know why I came here at all.
तो गाइज मूडी ब्राउन टोन तो हमने क्रिएट कर लिया है। अब हम गाइज वो ड्रीमी इफेक्ट देने के लिए सिलेक्टिव टूल्स में जाएंगे। तो गाइज यहाँ पे मैं रेडियल टूल यूज़ करने वाला हूँ वो ड्रीमी लुक देने के लिए, एंड मैं यहाँ पे लेफ्ट और राइट साइड में यूज़ करूँगा।
Why are you running away? Thought that you wanted to stay. All the words unspoken said that you love me today. So how could you leave for LA? Oh, you left me broken. I'm reading all your letters. It doesn't make it better. You're living in my mind for free. I'm drinking all the liquor. I'm picturing you with her. You're nothing but a memory. You're out of reach, left me in the open. Your love for me, deeper than the ocean. So why did you break me apart? You left me with all of these scars. Ooh, you left me broken.